Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming a video with a special guest.
Yeah, and you know what? That is me.
Today we're filming the Boyfriend Does My Makeup challenge. That's the boyfriend.
And my name is Jerome, if you don't know about Okay.
We just got home from the gym and I thought what a perfect time before I have a shower to let him ruin my face. So...
What the fuck are you talking about? Ruin your face. Put some life on that face. First off, what I want to do is I want to take your glasses off and... Oh shit, my bad. Okay, and I think I'm gonna have to just, you know, give your face a little clean. Just, you know, you want a clean canvas that you want to work with, because, you know, this is an artwork right here. You know? Fuck, your face is dirty. What the hell? Alright, now that this is nice and clean, like cleaner than before, because this is fucking filthy as fuck. See, look. Alright. So what I want to do is, I'm going to try to find where the primer is. I don't know what the fuck that is. So, this is the primer. So I found it. So this is actually 3 in 1. So there's 3 on 1. The Face of Australia. Is that the brand?
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is the Face of Australia. I don't see. You put this shit on you. You just like...
No.
Oh, no? No, with that. What I'm going to do is just, you know, cover all that shit. Can you like chill, man? I know what I'm doing. I'm a pro. Alright. There you go. Stick your tongue out. I think I'm gonna put it out.
You just on my lip.
Oh my god, just be, you know. This is an artwork right here. Alright. And it's good. What else do I need to get? Fuck, I don't know what I'm doing here. Kiss concealer, I guess? The fuck is this one? It doesn't say if this is a concealer. I don't know. I think this one is a the fuck? I need help.
I'm
Wait.
helping you.
I know what I'm doing. I don't need your help, bitch. Whoa. See this? That's a cool pattern. I like this. Oh. I shook the camera. Hold on. What's that shit that you put? That fucking... No, is this one? No.
Careful, because it doesn't have a pump. It's gonna...
This is a foundation. No, you don't use foundation. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. Yeah. No, you can't. Shush. Let me do my job. I think this one is... No, that's not that. What the hell, bro? I need a plumper. What do you need to plump?
What does it
I
say?
don't know, fucking concealer, obviously. Which is the HD, so like how you want to watch this video on high definition. Right? And this is for the pro, so this is, I guess, for me, I guess. Alright, because I'm a pro. Oh, what the hell is this? What do you do with this shit? Alright. I saw her doing like some Apache shit in her face, so I guess I'm just gonna imitate that. All I know is you take so long that I don't even need to look. That's what you do, right? It is? Is it? We need to conceal the eyes first, alright? If we can do this shit. Alright, there we go. And your double chin.
It's not a double chin.
Oh, I mean, yeah, whatever that is. And what I want to do is I would like to use a brush to mix all that shit. Which, a brush? Yeah, this is a brush.
Oh my god.
Shut up! Let me do my
You don't need to drag it.
Well, what do you want me to do?
Dab it.
Whoa. Yeah. Whoa, this is looking very nice right here. This is... Alright. Come on, close your eyelids.
You're like pounding my face.
Shush! Take the... No pain, no gain, right? Come on, quick! Oh, you gotta do it gently. So it mixes properly. Oh, okay. Ooh, okay. Oh my god! Shush! Just let me do my shit, alright? So next up, what I would like to use is the... I had it before, I forgot what it was. And it would be this motherfucking... What is this one? It's Maybelline. Bear with me, guys. What the fuck is this? Foundation. That's right. Foundation. Do you shake this like?
Yeah.
See, I know. Oh. I guess I'll just
Oh my god.
put this here. Right. They get it? Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm a pro, man. Foundation. What you want to do is just focus on the cheekbones, like focus on that shit, like, you know. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Focus on your cheekbones, like that, and your double chin as well, and your nose on the bridge. Hey, on the bridge. Hey, is that a bridge? I don't know what the fuck I'm doing here. Can you just help me? There you go. I'm gonna get your jaw as well, so your jawline will be popping for some reason, I don't know what the fuck. And your forehead, there you go.
Oh my god.
Oh, that's looking nice and blended, alright. Yo, what the hell? I think this is the one that I'm looking for.
Is it?
I don't know, I think this is the one.
What would you do with that?
Put it on your face and just...
Anyway, he's done the foundation. He's blended it out with a beauty blender. And now...
Not a bronzer, you don't use this. Oh, found it! It's hidden underneath. This is the powder that I was looking for, and it's called Australis. Australis. If you can see it, this is what you do, eh? You like put your shit like that. I don't know what the fuck. There you go. Yeah, you can see that. And whoa. Oh, it's hidden underneath. What the fuck? Yo, that's cool, man. Not use this one? Wow, fine. Okay, then I guess I would use a big brush. Not a big brush? Yeah. See, I knew that. Alright. Let's see if this is alright.
How much do you need?
A lot to cover all that shit in your face, mate. Wow. That looks really, really nice. I know. Oh, see that pit? Oh, yeah. Alright, I guess this is looking nice and neat. I don't know the lingo. Okay, what else do I need? Something that's dark. Sorry, I had to burp. Oh, excuse me, guys. Bronzer.
Well done.
So you can, like, you know, that one. This brush right here. No, okay. That's supposed to tell me.
Oh, well, I don't want you to use the wrong... Oh, I don't want to clean my brushes.
Oh, well, fuck, we shouldn't do this video then. Okay, that's it, guys. We're not doing this video anymore because she doesn't want me to use any brushes. Okay, so this, no, not that one. What the fuck? I have no idea. This one right
You
here.
can use them.
This one? Yeah, alright. Turn this way, miss. Oh, it's like,
Oh my god.
what? That's not how you do it? Oh, this is how I do it, bitch. I don't know what this is. A bronzer, which is called Hula. Yeah. Oh my godness. Wait, whoa, chill. Let me just do my shit. Fuck. What are you doing? Are you...
Okay, come on!
You keep moving and everything. Fucking put all this shit in there. No.
Oh my god.
What? Next up, I'm gonna use this eyeshadow.
How do you know it's eyeshadow?
Because I bought it for you, like your birthday. Duh, I remember. No. And this is called Naked. Why is it called Naked? I don't know. Who cares? Who knows really? There's a lot of brushes. So, this one seems that no. Okay, so I think what I'm gonna use is, wait, you can't see me, wait. Okay, I guess what I want to be using is the lightest one out of these, I think. But like, you can't use the dark one first, right? So
I'm not gonna help you.
I don't need help. Okay, I'm gonna use the lightest one. Oh shizzle. That's a lot,
Yeah,
hey?
just be careful.
I don't care. Okay, close your eyelids. Close your eyelids! Damn it! That's looking good, I guess. Whoa, your face looks fucked up. What I'm gonna do is, this is called sauced. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Oh, that wasn't that much.
You just dab it, don't
I don't
flick it.
care. I'm doing this. This is my job. So let me do it. Okay. Eyelids, please. Oh, and for waggle. Oh, I guess I would use that. Yeah. Hey. Might need a little bit more in that. What the fuck is that? Oh my god, you look so amazing right now. Okay. Looks really good. Alright. What the fuck is that one, eh?
Do you want me to teach you a trick?
No.
Actually, no, I'm not going to help you.
Don't teach me a trick. I know every trick in the book. Okay, now I don't know what else I'm gonna do. Eyeliner. We're gonna do eyeliner, guys. Okay, where's the eyeliner? Did you put any eyeliner here?
Yes, I...
You look very pretty. Trying to do like a very like nice look.
Would you still love me if I look like this?
Yeah, first time I saw you, you had no makeup on. Where is the eyeliner? Eyeliner. It's called Urban Decay. If you can see it, I don't know if you can because it's not focusing because you know
What's it called?
This is called Urban Decay, and this is, by the way, waterproof, and this is liquid. This is a very hard job to do. Close your eyelids.
I'm gonna make it look like a panda. Wait, you put it on here? You can't put it on here, right? Yeah. You can, right? No, I got this.
It's tickling.
Move. Oh my god, who the fuck is this guy? Look at that, someone put What the fuck am I doing? I'm so sorry, I don't want to do this anymore. You look
Keep
so
going, come on.
stupid.
Don't be a quitter.
You look so stupid. Oh no you don't, you look very beautiful.
I look so beautiful.
You look so good, like you just had a fight. Like someone just punched you in your eyes. Okay, open, look up. Alright, I guess that looks cool. Wait. Bruh. Wait, open now.
Okay.
Look up.
It's actually better to look down.
Oh, is it? What? No, fuck. Right. Oh my god, I done messed up.
It's okay, it's alright. Just keep
wait.
going before you mess up again. Oh, okay, yeah.
Oh no, that shit, I don't need it. You look good either way. I accept you for who you are. Bro, there you go, stop laughing, you're making me nauseous. Is that doing that? Bruh, oh my god, no, I'll give up. I'll give up, this is
You're almost done.
okay. I should just add like fucking make you look like a clown right now. For lipstick, I'm gonna use this brand named Revlon. You can't even see it, but Revlon. And this is actually called 420 Blushed. That's always good. Hey, okay.
I don't think I've ever used that.
Well, I'm using it now.
Out of all of those lipsticks, you choose that one.
I don't know, this
Okay.
is what caught my eyes. I don't know how to start this, okay, but fucking Shush. Oh, now you're making me fucking. Wait, let me just do this. Do that shit with your lips. Yeah, that one. Yeah. Oh, that looks really. I can't get in the proper position because you keep looking that way. Look this way. Fuck. I need you to cooperate. I guess that looks nice, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let me just put it on. You did not see that. Okay. Yeah, I kind of fucked it up. Look what I just did. If you could see
And that
it.
was brand new.
Yeah. Oh well. I'll just buy another one. The highlighter is what I'm gonna. It's called Sleek Brush. I would use for this one is. Yeah, see, I got it first.
What's the brush called?
This is called Morph. Yeah, Morph M510. That's the brush name. If you guys want to copy one of these, this is the one. Yep. Yep, there we go. There we go. There we go. Come this way, please. And voila, we're all done. Look at that beautiful fat. Well, you just ruined it.
Oh no, I didn't. I just
did.
ruined.
I'd say I did a pretty good job. Actually, I did a great. That looks really nice. I was going for that clown face. Like, that's why you can see that little mark there. That's like little teardrops. Because, you know. Yeah.
The highlight is nice.
Everything's nice. The fuck?
Bronzer, I don't know what the heck happened. The eyeliner, well,
It was perfect, obviously.
you didn't do my brows.
I don't need to do your brows.
Okay.
Because
Nah, good effort.
I don't want them to look better than mine. So.
I do your brows for you.
Shh, you didn't say that. You didn't say that. So what do you reckon, guys? I think I did a fucking good job, eh? Hey, look at that shit. That's like how she looks like every day. And that's a compliment because I did it.
Hair is all kinds of fucked up right now. But, yeah. So that was the boyfriend does my makeup video challenge thing.
I don't see that was a challenge. That wasn't even challenging at all.
The next video you guys will see with this one on my channel will be...
where else would they see it? On my channel? No. On your channel, obviously. Duh.
Anyway, the next video you'll see will be when I do his makeup. And we all know it's going to be a lot better than this.
Do my own
Like,
makeup.
he has some pretty nice skin.
I don't need makeup. I'm natural. So, I guess we should end the video, but I don't know how to end this shit. How do you end this? How do you do your outro?
I don't know, I don't have an outro.
You don't have an outro, so you're gonna have to think of one right now, very spontaneously. So we just say goodbye to the camera and wave. Like, you can subscribe because I'm here now and I'm gonna make this channel even more fun because I am the motherfucking man. Yeah, yeah.
Oh my god, you concern me.
I don't care because I'm taking
Anyway.
I'm taking over this channel. Get the fuck out of here. This is Chloe Beauty. Yeah, but this is your host, fucking Jerome, up in his bitch, and you know what's going on, and we're about to finish this video. Get out of my waist.
Thanks everyone for clicking and watching this video.
If you actually got through the whole video,
I'm very proud of you.
I support you. Alright?
But yeah, thanks for watching, guys.
See you in the next video, even though we won't really see you because this is just a camera we're talking to right now. So, yep, goodbye.